My trade of the week last week was GBP AUD. We were looking to short this pair when it hit WR1 resistance here. We had a nice line of historical resistance. However, GBP strength, particularly against the AUD and the New Zealand dollar, pushed the price. We hit this WR1, price moved sideways, and then the bulls re-entered the market, pushed the price higher. So we had no trade last week, and I updated my report accordingly. So that was last week, and this week we should be looking at a trade on USD CAD. Okay, my trade of the week this week for 17th of May is long USD CAD. Right, now why I'm going long USD CAD is because if we look at last week, the week just gone, we can see that last week's candle was a very nice doji indecision, potentially reversal candle, and the stock on the stochastic is also crossing over from oversold north. RSI is currently reading 24 but is slowly moving north, and we've also got this very nice line of support here where price came down here. This was 4 years ago. Price hit this level, moved away. We're back at this level. Every chance price will move away again. So I'm looking at going long. Now, the timing of the entry, I'm going to time this entry on a break of this trend line on the M15 time frame. When we get price above this line, the price will also be above the 200 EMA. I shall go long, and I will put the stop. Yeah, I'll put the stop possibly underneath this low here. So that would be, if we get long about there, yeah, to about a 30 pip stop. So that's my trade of the week this week. We need to wait for price to get to about, we're looking at 121.29, 121.30 area. Price is quite weak at the moment and looking as if we're going to be heading down south, but I think by the end of the week I fully expect the price to be well, who knows where. Could be up here, which would be nice. That'd be 123 level. Anyway, we'll see how that pans out. So that's my trade of the week, long USD CAD. At the end of 2022, Hypertech, one of the world's strongest blockchain alliance, one of the biggest and most diverse blockchain groups on the planet, will launch their IPO, their initial public offering, on the Hang Seng, and you can be part of this once in a lifetime, truly unique event. Now, Hypertech are huge. They are a massive organisation. They consist of several core companies. Colin Starr are venture capitalists who own part of Binance. Blockchain Global work with various government entities. The Hcash Foundation is the group's bank. They have an agreement with MasterCard and have a $50,000 a day spend on their card. They are also working with IBM on quantum security. Other than the coins that they have, they also are involved in mining, in gaming, in education, in the media. They'll soon to be launch. They're soon going to launch their HyperTalk, which is a social media platform. They also have a online shopping mall, the Mars Mall. There's really no end to their involvement in crypto. The number of companies they're involved with are extraordinary. They're involved with the NEM project, which is a multi-billion-pound project, as is Tron. The WHO exchange is theirs, the OKEX exchange they have interest in. It just goes on and on. And what basically they are after is members. So if you're a member of Hypertech, you'll have all the benefits afforded to you. Not only will you get an option for preferential shares when the company do launch their IPO, but they have one of the best investment platforms around today. A $300 investment is returned at 3 times. So invest 300, you'll get 900 back. Invest 1,000, you get 3,000 back. But by operating a rebuy, you can turn $300 into a $6,100 investment over a 21-month period. So the details are all below or on my website. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. At the end of 2022, this opportunity will be gone. So act now and seriously consider joining Hypertech. It will be the best financial investment opportunity you'll ever make.